Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off iMessage on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on apps. Then scroll down apps and locate messages and then click on it. On the messages page, scroll down, locate iMessage and turn this off. So if you have iMessage enabled, just click on it once to disable it, and after that, you'll stop using iMessage on your iPhone. And if you want to use iMessage yet you want to be able to send your normal message on your iPhone, just call me and toggle on send as text message. So whether you turn on iMessage or not, you'll still be able to send your normal message on your iPhone, and then you are good. So that is exactly how to off iMessage on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.